Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can throw a parkour party in Heartopia. So go to Bot first, and here is where you're going to purchase the items for the parkour stuff. I'm just going to make it simple later, maybe, I don't know. But I do need the starting rug, so you're just going to need one of those and the finish rug. And you can also get the party scoreboard. I'll just purchase one. You can have more than one, but I think it's just convenient if you just have one. You can also get the spring columns. These are the most annoying things ever. Like it launches you far away. Like it can make you like go back to where you started, I guess. I'm just going to purchase those. I don't know if I'm going to use them. And then you can also get these like pillars and platforms and stuff. I think I'm just going to get the like medium one here and maybe the small one. I don't really want to make this difficult. Okay, so let's get back to our house and set it up. You do have to like build the like parkour stuff yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. So you'll need to go to your watch and go to blueprints and go to gameplay blueprint. You'll have this next to the home blueprint. And then I am going to press edit. And here is where you can build your parkour arena. So it's going to be like a different area kind of. So you can make the like arena very like big and it doesn't have to get in the way of your house. So first you are going to place your starting rug. You can place it anywhere you want. I'm just going to place it here-ish. I'm going to place it like here, like in the like entrance area. Hopefully that's in the middle. I don't think it is, but it's fine. And I'm going to then go to building materials. Let's go to pillars and we are going to add some pillars here. And you can color it to these colors. If you kind of want to test it out, you can just like go out of the advanced build mode and you can test if the height is good enough. So I'm just going to continue building until I finished the parkour arena, and I'm just going to speed it up so you can kind of see the process of it. Then you're going to want to go to furnitures, go to entertainment, and grab the finish rug and place it on like the last like area. And then you're also going to add the parkour party scoreboard here as well. I'm just going to rotate mine to look like this. And then you can also add the spring column. It does really make me mad, like having to go through one of these. But I'm just going to place it in 3 areas, so it's not super difficult, I guess. So let's test it out. Also, before starting the parkour party, make sure when you get out of your blueprint, you verify it because some of them you need like building materials for. So I'm just going to go to verification and start verification here. Oh, and I have to like actually do it from start to finish. So like, I guess it's going to show it actually works. So verification successful. And now you can actually start the parkour party. Yay! But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!